Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Nadula hair Amazon wig install. This wig is their highlighted by Knots Glueless 7x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached with the Invisible Knots lace closure wig. This wig is 100% human hair, 180% density, and this wig technically did come in 24 inches, but I did cut it just a little bit shorter because I wanted to add some more layers to it. Adding layers to your wig definitely adds a lot more body and stuff like that, so that was the reason why I did that. But I'm going to give you guys an unboxing so you can see how everything originally came and all that good stuff. The hair did come pre-curled for you, so it's one of those quick and ready to go, ready to wear type of wigs, okay? And then as you can see, it's this gorgeous brown hair color with these highlights, so it definitely pops, especially now that summer is right around the corner. Wearing this wig outside in the summer with that sun hitting it is going to look really good. So as always, I'm just going to add some foundation all over the lace and throw the wig on. The first thing that I realized with the wig is that it did kind of have like a little bit of a smell. It was like a perfumey type of smell, so definitely wash it when you receive it. Normally that's something that I do as well, but when I'm doing these promos, it's a little bit too much for me to wash each wig that I get, you guys. I kind of just style them out of the box, but if you are sensitive to smells, just be aware of that, okay? So I'm going to use my wax stick and my comb to get all of the little hairs away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with. And then I'm going to secure the lace down with some lace melting spray. This wig does have the adjustable elastic band. However, the wig cap was still too big on me. The lace area was way too large on me, so I do have to use some spray. Normally I use spray regardless, you guys know how I do, but I just wanted to let you know that in this case it really was needed because the wig wasn't fitting me correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. You guys see how like the ends of this lace closure is just sticking up, and it's just all, it's just, in a way, it's too noticeable. I can't leave it that way, so I am going to have to add some baby hairs, and they're not going to be too subtle, unfortunately, because I need to cover all of that up. And I was going to do a side part for you guys, but I can't if the lace is looking like that on each end. It's too noticeable, and no, I just won't like it. So I'm sticking with the middle part, and I'm adding some of those baby hairs to help cover those areas that are imperfect. But just so you guys are aware, it is a 7x5 lace closure. I've promoted 7x5 lace closures multiple times, even from Nadula hair Amazon. You can definitely do a side part, and I promise you, you'll be able to find a video on my channel with me doing that. So don't think that you only have to do a middle part. I'm just doing what's working for me as of right now. But after I added those baby hairs, it looked a lot better, and then I went ahead and decided to style the wig. I added some layers and recurled her and did all that good stuff. Okay, you guys, we are done with this wig install. Once again, the hair did have a little bit of a smell when I took her out of the box. It was more perfumey, but other than that, I didn't really have any other complaints. Well, one, the wig was super huge on me, but other than that, I didn't have any complaints as far as the hair quality. The hair was very bouncy. I know I added layers to assist with that. However, the hair was pretty bouncy on its own before I did that. It had a natural shine to it. There was no shedding, there was no tangling. So definitely check the link in my description box so you guys can look at it for yourself. I do think it's still a good unit. I do love the color of it, and I think it came out really cute. But if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.